This is going to be a video on heating pads for your back, your kidneys, and keeping warm just in case you lose power. But you get one of these weight exercise belts. It's got the Velcro on it and stuff like that. But if you're by yourself, you just open that up, and I got these little Velcro pads here. You know, this is just in case you're by yourself. You can put those and stick them on there. There, you got 4. Because right here, this line right here, this would be your spine. And then you take these heating pads. These are insoles for heating your shoes and stuff like that. And you put those down there. Put a Velcro on the back, you know, right here. One on the pad and one on the insole itself. Hold it in place. So think that this right here would be your spine. Have this thing here, and these would go around your love handles or fat rolls or whatever you want to call it, spare tire, you know. And it'll hold it in place for you. And this is for like truck drivers, people that drive forklifts in the freezer, different things like that. It's portable. Okay, this thing right here would probably cost you about $10, $5 for the weight belt. So don't spend $20. Get it on eBay for $5, and then these insoles are about $5, so that's $10. And if you want portable, I'm not a spokesperson for PowerAd, but these are the best that you can get. These are about $20, but you really don't need it because it's USB. You can run this off of a computer. Your USB off of your outlet in your house, or one in your car. So this idea here, it's portable, plus it can help out people that are in office work that needed to heat on their kidneys and their back and stuff like that. Or forklift operator, like I said, work in the freezer, keep yourself warm. People without power, if you want to use your power pack, you know, just in case your power goes off and you need some heat, you put that on your waist and stuff like that, and it'll keep you warm. Get underneath the covers and stay warm with the power pack, just in case your power goes off. And it soothes your kidneys, your back, your love handles, and it's fairly reasonable. It's pretty cheap, $10. Unless you want to get the power pack, and then it'd be about $30 total, and it's well worth the money. So here it is for this will be for your kidneys. I put the Velcro on these, just like that. It'll go up your side of your kidneys and stuff like that. But if you want to stay warmer, you can go like this. This will be your spine. This will be your love handles, same way. See how that goes on there? It'll stay in place. You just push it down and it'll stay in place where you want it. And this is if you're going to use the power pack. You know, if you're a truck driver, you can plug it into your USB in a truck. But if you're a forklift operator, you need to use one of these power packs. Or it could even be used as a waitress or whatever. She has to walk around, stand on her feet all day. So you can carry one of these around. And supposedly these belts help you lose weight, but I don't think it will. But some of the people that are on medications and stuff like that, keep taking your medication, but this will help soothe your back and your kidneys and keep you warm. And here's the power pack. This is portable, so you can wear your belt anywhere you want to go. in your vehicle. If you're a forklift operator, you can wear it in the freezer. It's so small, you can put it in your back pocket. Just make sure the cord isn't dangling down. You can put a piece of Velcro or a twist tie on this. And if you want, you can put on your coat. And then if you have a inside pocket like this, like if you're in the freezer or wherever, you can just carry it around like that, and nobody will even know that you even have it on. Zip up your coat. Get this zipped up. And you could have the belt on with the heating pads on your back and your spine and your kidneys and your love handles, and it works out pretty good. Thanks for watching. And another thing, these belts right here will make you sweat, so you're going to have to take care of it because there's you can spread germs. You just take one of these cloths that are sanitize it, you know, so you don't spread germs or anything like that. Pretty simple stuff. And you know, it's just one of those, I don't know what they're called, sanitizing cloths. And get some antibacteria spray, and that's all it takes, you know, something that simple. So if you like this video, make sure you share it and make something for somebody that you like, you love, whatever. Give it as a gift. Take it to an old folks' home, and it's pretty cheap. You'll get your money's worth. And it's a do-it-yourself job. Maybe you can even have a get-together and everybody can make one. But make sure you sanitize it, because these belts will make you sweat. So don't spread germs to somebody else. Thanks for watching, and share.